Introducing the 2021 Volvo Xc90 2.0 R. Design Pro T8 AWD Phev in sleek black, boasting a 2-litre engine and a fuel-efficient PETROLPLUG-IN hybrid electric system. This luxurious estate vehicle comes loaded with comfort and safety features such as ambient lighting, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning. With interior perks like cup holders, third-row seats, and a load cover, you'll be riding in style and comfort. Stylish additions like roof rails and spoiler add to the overall look and feel of this top-of-the-line SUV. Rest assured, with security features like ABS, multiple airbags, and traffic sign recognition. This Volvo has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, comes with a comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.